Hello and welcome to PC Simplest. In today's video we're going to be discussing resetting our Internet Explorer options back to default. Typically we're going to have to do this when we've changed some settings in Internet Explorer, possibly we've installed something that we shouldn't have and it's just screwed up our general configuration for Internet Explorer. So what we're going to do first of all is go ahead and open up Internet Explorer. And the first thing that I'm going to have you do once we have Internet Explorer open is we're going to find a free area of space. So if you notice where I have the mouse at now, this is a free area of space. We're going to right click in this area and we're going to make sure that we have this menu bar option checked. This is the simplest way to do it because sometimes you may not have this menu bar enabled, or you might not have this grinding gear right here viewable. So we're just going to make sure we have this menu bar showing. This is the menu bar right here that we want to see, where it says File, Edit, View, Favorites, Tools, and Help. What we're going to do is go ahead and click on Tools, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom here until we find Internet Options. We're going to go ahead and click on Internet Options, and then you're going to get this window that pops up. You'll see a few different tabs, but we're just going to go ahead and go right to the last tab that's called Advanced. From the Advanced tab at the bottom of this screen right here, we're going to go ahead and click on Reset. We should get this box, and it's going to say, are you sure you want to reset all your Internet Explorer settings? It's going to do a lot of different things. I mean, you can read some of the options here: disable toolbars and add-ons, default web browser settings, etc., etc. I also typically like to delete personal settings. It's going to reset home pages, search providers, delete temporary internet files, histories, cookies, stuff like that. It will reset any ActiveX settings that you have, and this is basically something that you're going to do anytime stuff kind of is acting screwy in Internet Explorer, especially if you have a lot of toolbars installed or add-ons installed that will start to weigh down Internet Explorer. This is a pretty good thing to do. So we're just going to go ahead and make sure we have this checkbox checked and go ahead and click Reset. It's going to go through it. I don't use Internet Explorer, so this is a very quick process for me. This may take, could take a couple minutes for you if you have a lot of stuff installed. So once you do that, go ahead and click Close, and that'll all close out. What you could probably do is close down Internet Explorer and then reopen it, and you should have many different options enabled. You see, when we first opened Internet Explorer, the first time we had google.com set as our home page, and now by default msn.com was set as our home page. So you may want to make sure that you have anything backed up as far as what your home page was set as, and we can discuss in another video how we go ahead and change that. I hope you found this useful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me on our YouTube page or at PCSimplest.com. Thank you and have a great day.